Every single video I make is designed to help you level up as a creator, but we have to be real about our limited time and energy. We all know that vertical clips are currently the fastest way to grow your channel and reach new people. While built-in clipping features are convenient, the compression often leaves your content looking washed out and poorly framed. You shouldn't have to spend hours editing or juggling a dozen different tools just to get high-quality content out the door. I'm going to walk you through a couple of workflows, from manual to automated, so you can pick what fits your style best. Let's start with the popular DIY method that many creators use today, which is an OBS plugin for vertical video. This plugin basically adds a second canvas to your broadcast software that is fully optimized for vertical dimensions. Once you install it and follow the setup wizard, you will see an extra canvas and panels for your vertical scenes. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't create new assets, but rather mirrors what you have already put in your main scenes. It is incredibly lightweight and doesn't add extra rendering overhead to your computer while you stream. Before you get too excited, you need to make sure you configure your settings correctly for the best quality. By default, the resolution is perfect for full quality shorts, but you can adjust it to match your stream resolution if you want to save resources. Make sure you set up your Backtrack Recording to something that matches your disk space and your needs. Setting a dedicated hotkey for this feature ensures you never miss a highlight during your session. Keep in mind that this uses the same bitrate as your regular recordings, so it will take up a bit more storage. Now, to make your vertical clips actually look good, you need to handle the game footage properly. The simplest move is to source your existing game footage and resize it so the center of the action fits the vertical crop. Remember that game UI elements like health bars and ammo often sit at the edges and might get chopped off. Some creators use advanced plugins to duplicate a source without copying filters so they can apply custom masks. You can take a screenshot of your game to trace UI elements and fill them black to create your own custom masks. This allows you to isolate critical UI pieces and keep them visible within your vertical layout. Add your camera into the mix the same way you would for your horizontal layout. One of the best features is scene linking, which ensures your vertical setup changes whenever you switch scenes on your main canvas. This solves the headache of manually toggling two sets of scenes every single time you need to transition. That workflow works great if you love tinkering, but what if you'd rather spend your time streaming than fiddling with masks? There is a smarter route, and that involves using AI-driven tools to handle the heavy lifting for you. This isn't about replacing your manual work entirely, but about saving time where it really counts. AI tools can automatically analyze your stream to find the most engaging moments without you having to scrub through hours of footage. It looks at audio spikes, visual action, and even chat activity to pinpoint moments that are likely to perform well on social platforms. Instead of spending your night editing, you get a handful of clips that are already trimmed and framed for vertical consumption. But it gets better because some of these tools include auto-scheduling and content calendars built right into the platform. You can manage and reorder your entire posting schedule in one place without needing a dozen different accounts or external apps. Consistency is the real secret sauce for growth, and this automation makes maintaining that consistency so much easier. If you compare this to the manual OBS approach, you get a lot more free time while sacrificing very little control. You don't need to stress about replay buffers or manual masking if you choose to let the AI do the heavy lifting. The best strategy is to use both approaches together to create a powerful hybrid workflow. Run your vertical recording software when you want total control over the composition of a specific high production moment. Then, let your AI tool ingest your full stream VOD after you finish to catch all the secondary clips you might have missed. You get the best of both worlds, perfect handcrafted shots for your biggest moments and a steady stream of content for your feeds. There is one skill you cannot overlook, and that is talking to your chat while you are in the middle of the action. If you are too quiet, the AI has less to work with, which means your generated clips will suffer in quality. Practice narrating your plays and reacting out loud, as those audio cues are absolutely golden for clip selection algorithms. Your viewers love to see your genuine reactions, and that energy translates perfectly into viral potential. Ultimately, if you want a low-effort system that provides high output, automation is the path forward for you. It frees up your time to focus on what actually grows the channel, which is making content and interacting with your community. If you want maximum control, stick with the manual plugins, but don't be afraid to add AI to the mix. If you are starting from zero, invest in a workflow that balances quality with consistency right from the beginning. Growing your channel effectively really just comes down to making more great clips with less personal hassle. Use the tools that let you spend your time streaming and playing rather than buried in an editing timeline. Stream smarter, work efficiently, and let the technology handle the dull parts of the editing process for you. You will find you have so much more time to engage with your fans and enjoy the content you are creating. Try integrating AI into your workflow this week, and you might be surprised by how much better your content feels. Better content makes for a better streaming experience for everyone involved, so why not start today? Go out there, test these tools, and watch your channel reach new heights with consistency and quality. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.